How to cancel all sent follow requests by you on Instagram. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. So first thing first, head over to your application Instagram. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Move into your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on this icon at the top right corner. Once you're in this page, move into Account Center at the very top. Your informations and permissions. Click on Export your information. Click on Turn off. Now tap on Create Export and tap on Export to Device. Tap on Customize Information right over here. Now first of all, deselect all of these options. And simply select Followers and Following and then tap on Save. Now you can select the date range. You can select according to your need and then click on Save. After that, you can select Media Quality and also Format. After that, click on Start Export at the bottom of the screen. You will need to wait for 24 hours in order to retrieve all of the informations that you have selected. Once you get to open that information, you will be able to see the sent follow request. After that, search it in the Instagram and then simply cancel it. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.